Hello everyone and welcome to today's discussion on maintenance management. I am Thamizharasu, a dedicated business coach, and I have dedicated years to helping businesses optimize their operations, maximize their potential. Over the years, I have realized just how crucial an effective maintenance management strategy is to overall success and the sustainability of a business. It's not just about keeping machinery and equipment running, it's about ensuring operational efficiency, cost effectiveness, and setting the groundwork for future growth. So let's delve deep into the realm of maintenance management and explore its intricate facets, challenges, and the promising future trends set to redefine the industry. Let's begin.
1. Introduction to maintenance management. Maintenance management, at its core, is a systematic approach that ensures the proper care, upkeep, and operation of physical assets throughout their life cycle. From factories to office spaces, assets play a crucial role in the operations of any business. An effective maintenance management system ensures these assets perform optimally, leading to increased efficiency, cost savings, and extended equipment lifespan. The importance of maintenance management cannot be understated as it directly impacts productivity, safety, and the bottom line of an organization. 2. Types of maintenance strategies: preventive, predictive, corrective, and condition-based. Maintenance strategies can be categorized into several types, each with its methodology and benefits. Preventive maintenance focuses on regular, scheduled checks to prevent unexpected failures. Predictive maintenance uses data and analytics to predict when a failure might occur, allowing timely intervention. Corrective maintenance is the process of fixing faults and defects as they arise. Lastly, condition-based maintenance revolves around the actual condition of assets, maintaining them based on specific indicators. While each strategy has its merits, a combination tailored to an organization's needs often yields the best results. 3. Key components of an effective maintenance management system. An efficient maintenance management system is characterized by several vital components. Asset tracking and inventory management ensure all assets are accounted for and that necessary parts are available when needed. Work order processing facilitates the organization of maintenance tasks, ensuring timely and effective completion. 4. Maintenance management software, features and benefits. Modern maintenance operations are increasingly relying on software solutions. Maintenance management software offers tools for automating tasks, scheduling maintenance activities, and providing real-time data on equipment health. 5. The role of predictive analytics in maintenance management. Predictive analytics, empowered by the rise of IoT and big data, plays a transformative role in maintenance management. By analyzing historical data and real-time information from sensors, predictive analytics can anticipate when and where failures might occur. This forward-looking approach minimizes downtime and helps allocate resources efficiently. 6. Cost savings through efficient maintenance management. Effective maintenance management isn't just about preventing equipment failures, it's also about the bottom line. Proper maintenance reduces costly downtimes, increases the longevity of assets, and ensures efficient operations. By doing so, businesses can realize significant cost savings, positively impacting profitability. 7. Training and skill development for maintenance managers. The world of maintenance is constantly evolving, making continuous learning and skill development essential. Modern maintenance managers need to be versed in the latest technologies, methodologies, and best practices. Various training programs and certifications exist to ensure they stay at the forefront of the industry. 8. Sustainability and maintenance management. Sustainability has taken center stage in contemporary business practices. Environment-friendly maintenance practices, such as the use of green lubricants or energy-efficient equipment, not only reduce a company's ecological footprint but also lead to cost savings. 9. Challenges faced in maintenance management and how to overcome them. Every system has its challenges, and maintenance management is no exception. From the pitfalls of reactive maintenance to the complexities introduced by modern equipment, managers often face daunting tasks. However, with the right knowledge, tools, and strategies, these challenges can be transformed into opportunities for growth and improvement. If you found this content insightful and want to stay updated on the latest trends and best practices in maintenance management, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community.